Well, this right here, a time lapse from a tower cam in Eugene, and you can really see the strong weather that's been rolling through. First off, that tower cam has been shaking all day long. We've seen wind gusts getting up to around 30 to 40 miles per hour for much of the day here in the valleys. On top of that, you can see those bands of clouds rolling through when we did have some breaks of sun, but I'll say it's those storms that have really packed a punch, especially moving through Wednesday afternoon. We do still have plenty more of these gusty winds, not just Wednesday, but all throughout the day on Thursday as well. Be prepared. This strong, active weather pattern going to continue for a little while longer.